Hi, this is Brady McCabe with Federal Signal. I'm going to show you a video real quick about a new addition to our Pathfinder. It's the ability to play wave files through your sirens, which is pretty awesome. On my vehicle, I have the Rumbler kit. So in addition to the regular sirens, you're going to hear the following recording going through the sirens and the Rumbler kit, which gives a very deep tone, and it's a much more commanding sound. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Final warning! Come out now, I'm gonna release a dog!
With the Pathfinder, I have it set up that all you have to do is press this button and it activates the pre-recorded wave message.
This is the police department. A police dog will be released shortly to conduct a search. For your safety, please exit the area immediately and locate the nearest police officer.
Este es el departamento de la policía. Un perro va a ser soltado inmediatamente para conducir una búsqueda. Para su seguridad, por favor, salga del área.
So with the Pathfinder, your agency can put any wave file, which is an audio file, into the head unit here, and you can broadcast it for various reasons. If you had perhaps evacuation orders that had to be given, canine challenges like you heard, or perhaps unlawful assemblies where you need to broadcast a predetermined speech to a crowd of people before taking enforcement action, that can all be done through the Pathfinder.